In a peaceful meadow where the sun always shone and the flowers danced in the wind, lived Ellie, a gentle giant with a heart as big as her size. One day, Ellie discovered a tiny, magical butterfly named Benny. Benny had lost his way and needed help finding his fluttery friends. Together, Ellie and Benny embarked on a whimsical journey, encountering enchanted forests, crossing babbling brooks, and sharing laughter under the golden sun. Through their adventures, Ellie and Benny discovered the joy of friendship. They played hide and seek among the flowers, danced in the moonlight, and created everlasting memories. However, their journey wasn't without challenges. A stormy night brought danger, and Ellie had to use her strength to protect Benny and find a safe haven. As the storm passed, a beautiful sunrise painted the sky. Ellie and Benny emerged stronger, their friendship deeper than ever, and the meadow more magical than before. In the end, Benny found his way back to his butterfly friends, and Ellie returned to her meadow. Though they were apart, their hearts remained connected, forever, cherishing the magic of their friendship. And so, in the heart of the enchanted meadow, the tale of Ellie and Benny became a timeless story, a story of unlikely friendships, resilience, and the magic that happens when big hearts and tiny wings come together.